tired of confusing fees and unfair exchange rates when sending money abroad. Let's dive into how easy and transparent it is to send money internationally with Wise. First up, head over to the Wise website or open their app. You'll see a clear option to send money. That's our starting point. Enter the amount you want to send, for example. Let's say we're sending $1,000 then. Choose the currency you want the recipient to receive. We'll go with euros for this example. Instantly, Wise shows you the exact fee and the real exchange rate, no hidden charges. No nasty surprises. You'll see precisely how much the recipient will get in their currency, which is a huge advantage. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. This usually includes their name, bank name, and their account information for the currency you're sending. Wise makes it straightforward to input this information. Now, choose how you want to pay. Wise offers various options like bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. Select the method that's most convenient for you. Review all the details one last time on the confirmation screen. Make sure the amount, recipient details, and your payment method are all correct. Then, simply hit confirm. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Wise will keep you updated on the transfer's progress, and you can usually track it in real time. Wise is popular because it's designed to be simple, transparent about costs, and offers genuinely competitive exchange rates, making your international transfers a breeze. Give it a try for your next global money move.